Can you expand a bit on good CTR to aim for while running my ads? My products are between 2 to 6% on a store. Should I expand the budget? So CTR does matter when you're looking at the ad spend, but the more important thing to really look at is obviously conversions. CTR can be 30%, but if I'm not getting conversions, I don't give a fuck about the 30%. Maybe you're clickbaiting, maybe you're misleading them, maybe it doesn't make sense, things like this. Maybe your price is too high where you're not getting any conversions. But if you're 2 to 6%, it's very good CTR. So if you're not getting conversions, you're making a fucking mistake somewhere. Maybe your products are shit, but they look really pretty. Or maybe they're attracting really young people and they're clicking on them because they want to look at the pretty product. Quick interruption to this video, I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.